In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut, copy, and paste text or slides in Google Slides. Whether you're working on a school project or an important business presentation, knowing how to efficiently manage your slides can save you time and make your presentation shine. First, navigate to Google Slides. Open your web browser and type in the Google Slides URL. If you're not already logged in, sign into your Google account by entering your email and password. This will take you into the Google Workspace where you can access slides along with other Google apps. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of options. To start a new presentation, click on the blank option to create a fresh slide deck or choose a pre-designed template that suits your needs. Templates are great for giving your presentation a professional look with minimal effort. With your new or template-based presentation open, let's dive into the basics of text and slide manipulation. To cut text, start by highlighting the text you want to move. Click and drag your cursor over the desired text until it's fully selected. Then, right-click on the highlighted area and select Cut from the menu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+X on Windows or Command+X on Mac. This removes the text from its current location, ready to be pasted elsewhere. Copying text works similarly, but it keeps the original text in place. Highlight the text you wish to copy, right-click and select Copy or use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This gives you an exact duplicate to paste wherever you need it in your presentation. Finally, pasting is the last step in transferring your text to a new location. Place your cursor where you want the text to appear, right-click and choose Paste, or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to insert the previously cut or copied content. By following these steps, you can master the basics of cutting, copying, and pasting text in Google Slides, making your presentations more organized and effective. Keep practicing these techniques, and you'll find yourself navigating through your projects effortlessly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Happy presenting!